Okay, that car, there's another truck coming across, but we're not going to go across. Alright, so the highway you'll join from where the roundabout is. You'll take out the roundabout and just have one straight road. It goes over this bridge and then it goes it goes all the way to Williamsfield. Alright, we won't stay here too long. It's a very busy construction place. Actually, we're not going across the entire bridge. We're just giving you guys a better view of what the bridge looks like. We're going to zoom in so you can get a better view. As you can see, we've been here, we've seen 2 trucks. So it's a construction site, so we're not going to interfere with it, with the person's working. Alright, so this is the bridge and it does look very wide, so it possibly could be the widest bridge in Jamaica. We have videos up of the Causeway Bridge and also the Harborview Bridge, but looking at it now, it definitely is wider than the Harborview Bridge. Alright, so this is where the new section of the highway will start, and it will go from here all the way to Williamsfield. And this is section 1C of Highway 2000. And if you look at previous videos that we have up, you'll see that this road has been, where we are now, has been dumped up. It wasn't at this level, it wasn't at the same level as the road. So as you can see, they're actually in the process of dumping it up. Now it's now almost at the same level of the existing highway. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.